P0073 2019 GMC Acadia 3.6 liter engine. Let's crawl underneath the vehicle on the passenger side here. See how there's a black cover here in the bumper, the lower skirt, and it's missing here. Right here is where our ambient air temperature sensor goes, and it is missing. Crawl underneath of it, you'll see why real quickly. And we have hit a curb or something hard, something more than a raccoon. We got scraping on the metal. It was something hard, got some rust forming, so it's done a bit ago. Here's our wiring harness right here. All right, wiring harness just hanging, and it does not, it's hard to film upside down here, it does not stretch all the way to the hole right there where the sensor goes. It has been ripped off. And we're going to need a new pigtail connector. I didn't see one from local stores. It may be a dealership only or online order situation. There is some damage going up to there. Some scrapes on the condenser. Look at that little chunk right there. And there's some plastic slash foam that's damaged right there. You can see it right there. So overall, for hitting something hard and hitting it fairly hard, minimal damage. Well, we're gonna need a new pigtail connector for this sensor right here, and we'll just pop the sensor right in, and we'll have to wire the pigtail connector into that wiring, connect it to the sensor. But from the outside, you wouldn't even know anything was wrong. Here's our GM part number. You can get this from the dealership. You can also get it aftermarket from part stores. It's a 13583411. You don't have to go dealership part on this, but you can see it's got little clippies. Just simply clips right in, easy peasy. Connect your wiring harness, but now we got to get a new wiring harness as well after inspection.